What up with it? It's your boy Trail Fishing. Today I'm here with Solar BR having a special shoe giveaway for y'all. It's the UNC 5s. You hear me? All you have to do is follow me, follow Solar BR, comment on my most recent pinned post, repost and comment done on this post right here. The shoes is free, support is free, and we appreciate y'all for being here with us every step of the way. We will continue to grow, and we want y'all to be a part of this. Let's do it, man. Trail Fisher, Solar BR. We rocking out with y'all anytime.
What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can see from the title, we have the Air Jordan Black University Blue 5s. Super dope shoe, ready for it to release. We about to get into it, but before we get into it, let's go over some shoes that we already done dropped. Tropical Pink Travis Scott 1s. We have this video out. Make sure y'all go watch this video. Very dope video. Along with those, we have Shy Pink Travis Scott 1s. This video is out as well. Make sure y'all go watch that. And y'all ran up the views more on the Shy Pink than the Tropical Pink. So what are y'all saying? Do y'all like that one better? I don't know. Last but not least, we have the Tajin 2.0 Foam Posits. Very dope shoe, very dope video. Might be a contender of shoe of the year in my opinion. So yeah, make sure y'all go watch that video. Now let's get into this. Still on the road to 10K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing. I'm gonna keep saying that until we get the 10K. I'm ready to get that 10K. Also, we are doing a giveaway on a pair of 5s. We are gonna pull names, nothing is rigged. We are doing a giveaway. We've been trying to do a giveaway just to show some appreciation for y'all, for the buyers, for the people that watch the channel. So once you comment done, whoever wins that giveaway, you are going to get your size. So we're not just gonna be giving out any type size. You're gonna get your size. So yeah, make sure y'all go do that. All right, let's get into the video. So on the size tag, it reads black multicolor. I'm gonna start saying this again because I used to say this in our previous videos. Make sure that the details on this shoe matches the shoe that you get, because I know some people don't get it from an actual store like a Foot Locker or anything like that. You might have a shoe plug already. Make sure your details are the same, because people be, you ain't trying to get got out here, right? Because the baloney man is real. We got the face box here. Face box been coming back. A lot of shoes been having the face box. I'm not mad at it. We have this paper. Comes with a divider and it comes double wrapped. This shoe just reminds me of the times that the black metallic 5s came out. Just reminds me of those times. Good times, good times. All right, let's get into these details. We have this black nubuck here on the uppers. Got black laces, black eyelets. I don't see any lace swaps. Let me check to make sure. I don't want to be saying the wrong thing now. Yeah, no lace swaps. Got blue sock lining on the tongue. Got the metallic tongue with the black embroidered Jumpman on the tongue. Got the clear lace lock on the inside. Got the Air Jordan on the inside. Black and blue tab here. On the back, we got an embroidered University blue Jumpman. On the sides, got this quarter paneling, sorry. Got this quarter paneling. Got the shark teeth on the side. On the bottom, translucent blue sole. Jumpman on the bottom, Jordan. My favorite part of this shoe is the stitching. I really love the stitching because it just makes the shoe pop out even more, because I feel like a black shoe just don't really have much character to it if it doesn't have other colors with it. So I just think like the blue stitching just really like takes the shoe up here. These are releasing June 20th in full family sizing. I believe the retail is about $220 for men, probably $160 for kids, $165 for kids. Don't quote me on that. Nice shoe. These did release in 2006, so now it's back for its 20th anniversary in 2026 on June 20th. All right, guys, this is the on foot video. As you can see, got the black University Blue 5s on. Very hard shoe. I like the way he paired it with the socks. Got the light blue Politics socks. Nice shoe to wear. How would y'all rock these shoes? Are y'all wearing white socks or black socks? There's only one right answer. I don't want to see nobody wearing no black socks with these. You gotta wear some socks that pop it out. But yeah. So how do y'all think these are gonna do? Let me know in the comments. Usually the University Blue colorway don't really do too well currently. So how do y'all think they're gonna do? I really like this shoe. Like I said, it's a very clean shoe. I love the blue stitching on the shoe, and I feel like this blue University Blue color looks so good with black. So I really like the shoe. I'm definitely copping it. So let me know in the comments, how well do you think this shoe is gonna do, and if you're copping or not. Also, they're not as ashy as the UNC 14, so I really do appreciate that, because that shoe looked like it was 5 years old or something. It could use some shine, little elbow grease, you know, on the shoe. But other than that, I'm gonna take what I can get. I think these look a lot better than the 14s, like I said. I like the matte look of the shoe. I like it. But yeah, this pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Again, still on the road to 10K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing. We are still doing the giveaway, so make sure y'all go on Instagram, follow those pages, and comment done, so you can be entered into the giveaway. Thank y'all for watching.
When you beat the body in a studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my day up here. The voicemail, I